it's your girl Miss Biggs. Today I'm just coming again with another YouTube video. Today I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I clean my bathroom. Like, I'm just gonna be doing like thorough cleaning to my bathroom. So I'll be showing you how I do it, because basically I don't clean my bathroom on a single basis. I only do it maybe once a week. Of the times I don't do thorough cleaning except when it's really necessary. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I do my thorough cleaning to the bathroom so that I can maintain it throughout the whole week. So I'm showing you the products that I use and a little bit of decor of the things that I've just actually bought just to make it pleasant. You know, a bathroom is something that is so special, especially when you go into the toilet and you don't have any kids following you around. You just sit on there on your phone. It's just relaxing. I don't know if I'm weird, but for me, I actually feel like nice when I'm on the toilet. So obviously I want to be going in a room that's looking all nice and neat and not all smelling and all messy and all dirty. So guys, before we start recording this video, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, do not forget, do not go away without subscribing, because I'm going to be uploading nice videos each and every week. So you guys, do not dare go without subscribing. And when you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell so that you can be notified each and every time that I upload a new video. And to my subscribers who are already my family, you guys, thank you so much. It means a lot that you always come back here and you always just engage in the comment section and like. It means the world to me, like from the bottom of my heart. I just want to thank you guys for all your love and all your support. So you guys stay tuned and see the video. So these are the products that I actually use when I'm cleaning my bathroom. I love to use the Harpic Active Fresh because it actually smells really good and it does a job well done. This is my bathroom before I started cleaning, you guys. It is all messy and everything is just everywhere, and I don't know what happens, but I think every time my husband uses something, he actually forgets where he get that thing from, so he just leaves everything everywhere. And me, I really don't like that, but because right now I'm just so busy with the kids, I do not have time to actually entertain my OCD, so I just leave everything where it is until I actually get the chance to remove it or to take it away, which is normally during the end of the day, but not always possible. So this is what I do when I start cleaning. I take everything outside and put it in the hallway so that I can see whatever I am doing and I am able to see all the dirt. So I start by cleaning my toilet seat and I use the Active Harpic and I actually do the scrubbing. You guys, do not mind me not using gloves because I normally use the gloves, the rubber ones, but then this time I don't know, for some reason I actually forgot to use gloves. So always you need to wear some gloves because you're going to be using harsh chemicals and you do not want them to actually be affecting your hands. And this is me just scrubbing the shower glass. This is so hard to do. Actually, it's so tiring. And those are candles that I bought from the range, $11.99. They are not real candles, but they do the job and they are really nice. And I always try to put Soflora in the toilet brush so that it smells, and for the obvious reasons that it kills germs. So this is my bathroom, guys. After I have finished cleaning, I'm really impressed with the finished product, and it's all nice and cool, and I love the candles. I didn't have these candles before, and I didn't have those towels before, and the flowers as well. I had a different type of flowers. So those are the decor pieces that I've added, and I'm really liking them because they are just giving this mood into my bathroom that I like. So the candles, guys, I said I bought them from the range and they were £11.99, and I think there are 6 candles. So I've just scattered them around in the bathroom, and if I want to use them somewhere as well, I'll be able to actually take one and use it from somewhere. That's why I really love this set of candles. And I just like to decorate with little pieces. That's a picture of me and my husband a long time ago. I really like it just to come in the bathroom. I just want to leave like a sense of us and a sense of me, a sense of decor everywhere I am. And also guys, those towels, I bought them from TK Maxx. I think they were on sale. I bought them for £4 for two, but initially they were like £10 for two, but I bought them for £4 for two. So you see, sometimes you need to run for bargains. You don't have to spend a lot of money. And those flowers, I bought them from the ranch. I think they were £10, and I just really love the vibe. They look like they're real flowers, but they are actually fox flowers. But I really love their texture, and sometimes I actually hide a tissue in there with my air freshener or my favorite scent, and it just spend the whole day spelling in there. So I really love that about it. And you guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. And that flower, I actually bought it from IKEA. It is £6, and I really love it. As you know guys, I really love plants, so I love to be seeing green everywhere I am. Even when I'm taking a shower, I actually enjoying seeing that. The bath mats, guys, I bought them from Home Bargains. I think they were £7. I really like them because they are real cotton. They've got different options. They've got gray and white and gray, but I chose white and gray because I had bath mats that are gray already, so I wanted something different, totally different. So yeah guys, thank you so much for staying here, for watching, and for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. And this is how my bathroom actually looks when we switch off the candle, and I really like the effect, and I don't have to switch on the light during the night when I come up to go to the toilet. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next video.